welcome back to my channel. It's Jada. If you're new to my channel, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and put on that post notification bell so you know when I post a new video. And let's get straight to it. So for today's video, I'm sponsored by a company called Ula Hair, and they sent me this beautiful package filled with everything in it that I'll need for this installation. So in the bag, they sent me wig caps, lashes, they gave me some clips, and a comb. And the wig itself, it is 16 inches, 13 by 4, I believe, lace frontal, and it's awesome. Like it's so good. They have 3 clips in it, an elastic band, and they also have an extra on the bottom. Everything. So the first thing I thought of was to bleach my knots, so that's why I turned the wig inside out. And right now I'm just putting the T-pins in so I can hold onto the mannequin head so it wouldn't slip while I'm bleaching the knots. So right here, I'm just trying to get the right consistency that I want to bleach the knots. But I didn't really think that I wanted to bleach the whole thing, so I didn't think this out properly. But this is what I was doing. Just bear with me. So this is how it looked before I washed it, and when I did, this is what it came out to be. I'm not mad. I'm not mad with how it came out, but it's not what I wanted from the beginning. But I guess. So this is where I had the brilliant idea of, let me just try to make some highlights. I've never done this before in my life. I've just seen a couple videos. I'm like, I'm not slow. I can try it. So I decided to do the front pieces first because I like that. I like that look. And I just went in. I just went in. Again, I washed the hair and I'm still feeling a little bit iffy. So right now, I'm just, whatever happens, happens. So I had another box dye just laying around in the house, and I was like, you know what, since it's lighter and I'm going for highlights, this is what I'm going to use. And when I washed it, I can tell that it was brighter, like I liked it, but by the time I finished blow drying the hair, it wasn't giving me that effect anymore. But I'm not going to damage the hair, so I left it. It's cute. It's still cute. I can still work with it.
Make it fit. Get money,